This video is for all you current and future Model 3 owners. These are the top 8 must-have accessories for the Tesla Model 3. Now, if you've seen my full review, you know that I've had my car for a couple of months now, and I can personally vouch for all these products. And I also have 3 bonus accessories at the end of this video for the Aero wheel owners. The Amazon links for all these products will be linked in the description below for your convenience. So let's get right into this video, starting with the best car wash and wax for your Model 3. This is made by Aero Cosmetics and it has a perfect 5-star rating on Amazon, which is pretty impressive. It was recommended to me by a fellow Tesla owner and it works great on the Model 3. The kit comes with everything you need, including microfiber towels. Now what's great about this is you can use it with or without water. Now I tend to use this as a waterless car wash and wax. Just spray it on the car, wipe away the dirt with one side of the microfiber towel, then buff with the other side of the towel for the wax finish, and in less than 30 minutes I can have a clean and shiny Model 3 without wasting a bunch of water. Now, even though the Aero Cosmetics kit comes with a mini bug sponge, I went ahead and got this microfiber bug scrubber made by Viking for a little bit more power because the Model 3 front end is a flat out bug magnet. So you'll definitely need something like this to get the bugs off when you're washing your car. Now this one's great because it has a mesh microfiber design that's strong yet safe to use on the car's clear coat, and plus it's washable and reusable. So we've taken care of the exterior, now it's time for the interior. This is the CarGuys Super Cleaner, and it's one of the best all-purpose cleaners and works great for the Model 3 interior. It can clean pretty much any surface except glass, so you can use this on the entire dash, all the seats, the steering wheel, the middle console, almost anything inside the Model 3. It also comes with its own microfiber towel, which is nice just to keep in the glove box for whenever you need a quick cleaning without using the actual spray, but the cleaner itself does a good job at removing dirt and dust without leaving behind any streaks. Now continuing with the interior, these ToughPro all-weather floor mats for under $100 will come in handy if you ever have passengers riding in your car. And you better be giving people rides. Don't be stingy with the Model 3. Everybody wants to ride in it, so make sure you're giving rides. But these floor mats are cut perfectly for the Model 3 and they fit nicely on top of the existing floor mats, or you can use them on their own if you like. They're super low maintenance and easy to clean. If they ever get dirty, all you have to do is spray them down with water. That's it. Once they dry, just put them back in the car and they're almost as good as new. The original floor mats easily get dirt and debris stuck to them, so these all-weather mats are perfect for avoiding dirt and stains from spills. Another must-have for keeping the interior clean is a cordless hand vacuum. Now this Black & Decker is very affordable, so it's not going to be the most advanced hand vac, but it's good enough for most car cleanups. With a lot of these accessories I got for my Model 3, I try to keep it simple and get things that were small because I don't want to take up a lot of room with accessories. It's low cost, compact, rechargeable, and it gets the job done. This next product is definitely a must-have if you want to avoid constantly cleaning the center console in the Model 3 since it is extremely glossy and it's a fingerprint and dust magnet. To fix this, I got this awesome DIY matte black console wrap kit, and the install took about 1 hour and was fairly easy, but it did take some patience, but totally worth it though, and I love the way it looks and feels now. I definitely prefer the matte black over the glossy finish, especially when driving, because it used to be whenever the sun would hit that console, the reflection would nearly blind me at certain spots, at certain angles that the sun would hit. So for the price and the look of it, it's definitely a good deal. Now, as an owner or future owner of a fully electric vehicle, you want to minimize the battery usage as much as possible, and this foldable sunshade helps with that. It's only about 10 bucks, but I got it mainly because it folds into a nice circle and has a convenient holder for it, so again, it's not taking up a lot of room in my Model 3. I have the XL version, but you could probably get by with the large if you wanted something a little smaller, but it works great for blocking the heat from the sun, which helps avoid battery drain from the fan kicking in. Definitely a lifesaver during summer and in hot climates. Now this next product is not something for your car, but rather something for your home. It's the August Smart Home Lock. Now this lets you turn your existing door lock into a smart lock with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. As you know, with the Model 3, your smartphone is basically your key, so to get rid of your keys altogether, you'll want a smart home lock. The August is probably the most popular option for smart home door locks, and this one has worked great for me. It runs on normal AA batteries and was very easy to set up. It has an app so you can lock and unlock your door via Bluetooth, or with the optional bridge, you can lock and unlock it from anywhere. It was seriously a game changer when I stopped having to carry around keys everywhere, and this door lock allowed me to do that. Now the next 3 products are only for Aero wheel Model 3 owners. If you have the standard 18-inch wheels, the Aero wheels, of course you have to get the Aero wheel cap kit from Tesla. Now many people who own the Aero wheels don't even like the look of the Aero wheels and prefer the actual rims. Now I'm not that person. I actually love the Aero wheels and how they look, but it's nice to change it up every once in a while. Now if you get that kit, you'll also need this, which is a suction cup. It's only a few dollars on Amazon, but it helps tremendously when removing the center cap from your wheel when you want to put the Aero wheels back on. Very, very handy to have. And last but not least, if you have the 18-inch standard wheels, you'll probably at some point, unfortunately, get curb rash. I, of course, got curb rash on my rims. So if you have these standard wheels, you need to get the duplicate colored touch-up paint. Now the color is called dark shadow gray, and it matches the rim color almost perfectly. It's not a complete 100% fix for curb rash, but it does make it look way less noticeable just by putting some of it on. I certainly hope curb rash does not happen to you, but just in case it does happen, this does help out big time. That wraps up my top 8 plus 3 bonus must-have accessories for the Tesla Model 3. If you're a current Model 3 owner or you're just a Model 3 fanatic and you know of other products that are useful for Model 3 owners, make sure you let us know in the comment section below. And again, all the Amazon links for all these products mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below, so check those out. Thank you for watching. My name is Andy. For more Model 3 videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.